In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the ChatGPT too many concurrent requests error. Let's get started. First, I open up my Google Chrome browser and head over to the search bar. I type in ChatGPT and press enter to look up the official website. Once the search results load, I click on the first link for ChatGPT to open up the platform. Now that I am on the home page, I move my cursor over to the top right corner and click on the Log In button. A Google sign-in prompt appears, so I click to continue with my account. I wait for a brief moment while the system verifies my credentials. Now that I am logged into my ChatGPT account dashboard, I can start troubleshooting the issue. To begin, I navigate to the top right corner of my browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down list, I look for the Clear Browsing Data option and click on it. This opens up a Settings tab with a pop-up window for deleting browsing data. I make sure that browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files are all checked. I also verify that the time range is set to all time to ensure a thorough clean. Then, I move down and click on the blue Delete Data button to clear everything out. After the data is cleared, I close out the Settings tab and return to the ChatGPT tab. Next, I need to check my extensions, so I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner again to open the menu. This time, I hover over the Extensions option and select Manage Extensions from the side menu. This brings me to the Extensions Management page, where I can see all the add-ons installed on my browser. I review the active extensions like ChatGPT Search, McAfee Web Advisor, and my VPN extension. I decide to disable them one by one to see if any extension is causing a conflict or triggering the error. With all extensions disabled, I head back to the ChatGPT tab to see if the interface is stable. As a final troubleshooting step, I open a brand new tab to check the server status of OpenAI. In the search bar, I type in OpenAI status and hit enter. I click on the first official link, which takes me straight to the OpenAI status page. Here, I can see a notice that they are currently experiencing issues with high rate limits on certain models. I scroll down the page to check the individual system components. Seeing that the servers are mostly stable and having cleared my cache and disabled extensions, I can now return to the ChatGPT tab, confident that the too many concurrent requests error is resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.